Hello, darlings. Welcome to your Wellness Sidekick, your go-to channel for everything marvelous. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to a truly transformed body. In just 4 short weeks, you will start to see your body changing. Click that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you won't miss a single morsel of our fabulous fitness journey together. All right, my little fitness enthusiasts, let's start with a bang, shall we? Squats, darling, squats. These are the holy grail of lower body exercises, working wonders for your quads, hamstrings and glutes. Stand with your feet apart, toes slightly pointed out, and lower yourself as if you're gracing the most comfortable armchair you've ever encountered. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do a few perfect squats than a dozen wobbly ones. Now, darlings, who doesn't want arms that could rival the strength of Wonder Woman? That's where push-ups come in. This classic exercise works wonders for your chest, shoulders, triceps and core. Begin on your knees if need be, hands shoulder width apart, and lower yourself down as if you're going in for a darling little peck on the cheek. Keep that back straight and those core muscles engaged. Push yourself back up, feeling that magnificent strength surge through your entire body. Number 3, planks. Embrace your inner warrior. Let's talk about core strength, the cornerstone of a truly fabulous physique. What better way to achieve a rock-solid core than with the plank? This deceptively simple exercise is an absolute game-changer. Assume the position forearms on the ground, body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold it. Feel those abdominal muscles working their magic, tightening and toning with every passing second. Embrace the burn, darling. Embrace the burn. Number 4, lunges. Stride with confidence. These are the ultimate leg-lengthening, booty sculpting exercises. Not only do they target your quads, hamstrings and glutes, but they also work wonders for your balance and coordination. Stand tall, take a confident step forward, bending that knee until it forms a perfect right angle. Keep that back straight and those core muscles engaged. Push off that front heel and return to the starting position, feeling the burn in all the right places. Exercise 5, burpees. Unleash your inner dynamo. Burpees, my dears, burpees. This full-body exercise is not for the faint of heart, but trust me, the results are absolutely worth it. Start by standing tall, then lower yourself into a squat position. Kick those legs back into a high plank, do a quick push-up, and then jump those feet back up towards your hands. Finally, jump! Reach for the sky like you're trying to grab a handful of stars. Repeat, darlings. Repeat. Well, darlings, there you have it. 5 fabulous exercises for the foundation of your transformation. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure you're incorporating these exercises into your routine regularly. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and leave a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. Subscribe to your Wellness Sidekick for more fabulous health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit, and stay absolutely fabulous. Mwah.